Okay. Let me take this off here. All right, and just in case I don't have, or I end up having to make too much, or if I have made too much, I got these Zodiac molds from Buon Nicole. They're just coaster molds. But anywho, I digress. Alrighty. Oh, I moved everything and now I can't find it. Whoops. I am making a mess. Okay. All right. So I am using Festive Glam Holly Green from Homeware Design Co. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh, all right. All right, this needs okay, so maybe not. There we go. All right, and then this is, what else do I have? All right, let me grab Pisces. Whoop. Okay. All right, so Froggy just has to cure. Looks pretty good. And I have Capricorn and Pisces. So yeah. All right. I will be back. Okay, so I'm gonna do this coaster first. And that is beautiful. I got one little bubble right there. Not bad. I love these molds. Okay, let's see if I can do this without breaking something off. Ugh. All right, hang on. Oh, well, that's weird. He's got a little beard. Oh, too funny. Oh, but he is so cute. All right. So we have to do something with his eyes. Let me get... what color? Ooh, do you want to give him creepy red eyes? No. But what I can do is I need something. What do I need? What do I need? I need a piece of paper. Oh, here we go. Oh, plastic is just as good. All right. I really need to get like a fine tip marker. Now it just looks like a creepy alien. All right. All right, let's see. And I think his eyes are supposed to go the other way. He's an alien frog. Yeah, yes, because he's got a beard. Look at his beard. I don't know. Here, let me lay him down like that and then zoom in. See, he's got a beard, or he's been bitten by a vampire, one of the two. So, I don't know. Okay, so now that I have created my beautiful froggy frog with the beard and painted his eyes the wrong way, I think that I'm going to bling him out. And he obviously deserves a crown. So let me get my bonding UV and my handy dandy flashlight. Whoop. Okay, so I picked out some different colored, I was gonna go with these, which is Crown Jewels, but I don't know, I think he needs some different colors. Hang on.
Spotty frog on a lily pad hopping free. Green and yellow jumped right into the sea. Crooking loud in the moonlight sky. Froggy Friday night feels so high. Splashing water and catching flies. Little spotty frog with big round eyes. Stretches arms wide, jumps for a ride. Sings his song with froggy pride. Froggy Friday, every leap a cheer. Hop along with no sign of fear. Spotty frog dances through the night. In the moon's glow, feels so right. Hop in rhythm in the rippling stream. Spotty frog living his wildest dream. Leaf boats float on a gentle breeze. Every dance step with such ease. Lily pads swaying to the beat. Froggy Friday makes it so sweet. Spotty frog lights up the show with a croak that steals the glow. Leap and laugh with all your might. Spotty frog in the pale moonlight. Froggy Friday don't come and go. It lingers on with a soft glow. Froggy Friday, every leap a cheer. Hop along with no sign of fear. Spotty frog dances through the night. In the moon's glow, feels so right. Froggy Friday, every leap a cheer. Hop along with no sign of fear. Spotty frog dances through the night. In the moon's glow, feels so right. Feels so right. Feels so right. Feels so right.
Froggy Friday is a weekly collaboration hosted by Lisa, Girl in the Garage, Karen at the Dragon's Cave, Lula at Nerd Goblin Art, Tim at the Bass Resonator, and Gert at Gert Creates. Be sure to watch the playlist below in the description and you'll have a wonderful binge watch. I am going to take some glamour shots, and if you could do me a favor, like, comment, share, I'll put the QR code for my Buy Me a Coffee over here, and I will put the QR code to subscribe over here. So if you're watching on the TV, just put your phone right up to it and it'll bring it to you immediately so you can subscribe. It is 100% free to subscribe, and it allows our channels to grow because it tells YouTube that it's stuff that you would like to watch. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you for the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.